Make sure to park your vehicle on a flat surface. Transmission lever to parking, and handbrake engaged. I turned the left front wheel to the right a little, so I can connect the inner side easily. This fastener to the outside. Make sure there aren't any twists in the chain. These V-bars should contact the ground surface. Placing the fasteners on the side of the tire, so I won't drive over them. The V-bars are upwards, where they can contact the ground surface. Connecting the inner side first, connecting the chains to the third link, for better fit. When you finish, drive the vehicle a little and make sure the chains are securely in place, and not contacting any part of the vehicle.